on this end. It's going to take a lot of passes to even that out, but we're working on it.
I broke it. Not even sure what happened yet, but the drive stopped working. Project on hold. And it's too bad too, because the board is really starting to look good. I have good news and I have bad news. The good news is it's relatively easy to take this thing apart. The bad news is belt fried, which means I got to order a part and I can't use my planer today. At least the sprockets appear to be okay. And again, it should be an inexpensive repair, but Well, I have to admit, it's a little bit humorous. Apparently, when I tripped the circuit breaker and turned it back on and walked back over while it was still spinning because I left it on, it melted. Amazon. Yeah, it turned out to be pretty easy. Once I got it looped around there, I just started it right on this edge and turned the wrench, and it pulled itself right onto the pulley. So not too bad. I'll put the guard and everything and the tensioner back on, and we should be back in business.